One thing that you're going to need to do for your grade book is you're going to need to create some kind of scale. On the left hand side where grades is there, click grades, and you're going to select scales, and you'll notice that I have 5 different scales up here right now. So I created different ones so I can select from for different assignments. So quickly, if I selected edit the alpha scale, if you built a new scale, you would name it alpha. Over here, using commas, you would do A+, comma, A minus, all the way down to F, and it builds a simple scale. If you want to put a description on it, you can do that. Say this is an alpha scale, and then just save changes. And you want to check the box standard scale, and it shows up. So this, I have created a scale of 100 to 59, a GPA scale from 4.0 all the way to 0. I have an alpha scale from A+ to F. I have a basic alpha, A, B, C, D, F, and I have a basic GPA scale, 4.0, 3.0, 2.0, and 1.0. You can create as many scales as you like and use them accordingly, and you just save them as you need them. Before you start posting grades, you need to create categories so that you can create your assessments through those categories, and you can put them in certain groups. So on your left hand side under the settings, you would go to grades, and you can see here all your students appear, and everybody who's been selected for your course will show up. Under that, under the scale, you would select categories and select full view. Under full view, you are going to add a category, create your first category. These would be assignments. Simple weighted grade, you could say sum of grades. You can make any of the selection you want. I'm going to say simple weighted of grades. Grade type is a value. You can go scale or text, whichever you choose. I'm going to say value. And the maximum grade could be 100. So even though later on you create an assignment that's worth 20, 25 points, you can do it that way. So save changes. Then you want to create another category. I'm going to create a couple right here just to begin with. I'm going to say quizzes. The simple weight as well. I'm going to do that one as well, simple weight of grades. I'm going to say the same value, maximum grade of 100. Again, you could have quizzes that are only worth 50 points, and that's all you're going to give throughout the marking period. This way here, I want to keep it this way. I might give a 100-point quiz. I'm going to add another category. I'm going to call this one test. Simple weight as well, once again, 100-point value. And I'm going to say save changes to that. I'm going to add another category. I'm going to say projects. Again, value points the same, and I'm going to say save changes. So now you've created your major categories of assignments. Also inside here, you may choose to drop the lowest grade. Now let's say, for example, I'm giving 20 to 25 assignments in a marking period. I could select drop the lowest 2 grades, not just 1. I can pick any number I want, and I can also choose to edit any of these categories at any given time. Remember, you can do that. Hit save changes. Towards the bottom, select your course number. You go back to the home page.